Assalomu alaykum aziz do'stlar. Navbatdagi 51-darsimizga xush kelibsiz. Tayyor bo'lsangiz, darsimizni boshladik. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Men buni keyingi hafta qilishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want qilishni. To do buni. It keyingi hafta. Next week. Men buni keyingi hafta qilishni xohlayman. I want to do it next week. Men bu haqida o'ylashni xohlamayman. Men I xohlamayman. Don't want o'ylashni. To think bu haqida. About it. Men bu haqida o'ylashni xohlamayman. I don't want to think about it. Men buni qilishim kerak. Ya'ni menga kerak. I need qilish. To do buni. It. Men buni qilishim kerak. I need to do it. Qiz bolaga nisbatan u bu haqida o'ylashni xohlamaydi. U she xohlamaydi. Doesn't want o'ylashni. To think bu haqida. About it. U bu haqida o'ylashni xohlamaydi. She doesn't want to think about it. Ular ingliz tilini bilishadi. Ular bilishadi. They know ingliz tilini. English. Ular ingliz tilini bilishadi. They know English. Men qiz bolaga nisbatan unga tez-tez qo'ng'iroq qilaman. Men tez-tez I often qo'ng'iroq qilaman unga. Call her. Men unga tez-tez qo'ng'iroq qilaman. I often call her. Mening mushugim yo'q. Ya'ni menda yo'q. I don't have mushuk. A cat. Mening mushugim yo'q. I don't have a cat. O'g'il bolaga nisbatan uning orzusi bor. Ya'ni unda bor. He has orzu. A dream. Uning orzusi bor. He has a dream. Savol: qanchalik tez-tez sen buni qilishni xohlaysan? Qanchalik tez-tez? How often sen do you xohlaysan want qilishni to do buni it. Qanchalik tez-tez sen buni qilishni xohlaysan? How often do you want to do it? Men tez-tez sayohat qilaman. Men tez-tez I often sayohat qilaman. Travel. Men tez-tez sayohat qilaman. I often travel. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I want to do it next week. I don't want to think about it. I need to do it. She doesn't want to think about it. They know English. I often call her. I don't have a cat. He has a dream. How often do you want to do it? I often travel. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Savol: qanchalik tez-tez sen sayohat qilasan? Qanchalik tez-tez? How often sen do you sayohat qilasan? Travel. Qanchalik tez-tez sen sayohat qilasan? How often do you travel? Savol: sen qachon o'qiysan? Qachon? When sen do you o'qiysan? Study. Sen qachon o'qiysan? When do you study? Savol: sen hozir nima deyishni xohlaysan? Nima? What sen do you xohlaysan? Want deyishni to say hozir now. Sen hozir nima deyishni xohlaysan? What do you want to say now? Savol: sen Qo'shma Shtatlarga tashrif buyurishni xohlaysanmi? Sen do you xohlaysanmi? Want tashrif buyurishni to visit Qo'shma Shtatlarga the United States. Sen Qo'shma Shtatlarga tashrif buyurishni xohlaysanmi? Do you want to visit the United States? Men bu mashqni bajarishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want bajarishni to do bu mashqni. This exercise. Men bu mashqni bajarishni xohlayman. I want to do this exercise. Men dengizda suzishni xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want suzishni to swim dengizda. In the sea. Men dengizda suzishni xohlayman. I want to swim in the sea. Men tez-tez bu joylarga tashrif buyuraman. Men tez-tez I often tashrif buyuraman. Visit bu joylarga. These places. Men tez-tez bu joylarga tashrif buyuraman. I often visit these places. Savol: siz chet elda o'qishni xohlaysizmi? Siz do you xohlaysizmi? Want o'qishni to study. Chet elda. Abroad. Siz chet elda o'qishni xohlaysizmi? Do you want to study abroad? Men hozir uyga borishni xohlamayman. Men I xohlamayman. Don't want borishni. To go uyga. Home hozir. Now. Men hozir uyga borishni xohlamayman. I don't want to go home now. Bizga bu joy yoqadi. Bizga yoqadi. We like bu joy. This place. Bizga bu joy yoqadi. We like this place. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. How often do you travel? When do you study? What do you want to say now? Do you want to visit the United States? I want to do this exercise. I want to swim in the sea. I often visit these places. Do you want to study abroad? I don't want to go home now. We like this place. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Qiz bolaga nisbatan u, o'g'il bolaga nisbatan unga turli xil xabarlarni yuboradi. U yuboradi. She sends unga. Him turli xil different xabarlarni. Messages. U unga turli xil xabarlarni yuboradi. She sends him different messages. Savol. Sen odatda kechqurun nima qilasan? Nima? What? Sen. Do you? Odatda. Usually. Qilasan. Do. Kechqurun. In the evening. Sen odatda kechqurun nima qilasan? What do you usually do in the evening? Ular uyimizni ko'rishyapti. Ular ko'rishyapti. They see uyimizni. Our house. Ular uyimizni ko'rishyapti. They see our house. Qiz bolaga nisbatan u yerda yashamaydi. U, she yashamaydi. Doesn't live u yerda. There. U yerda yashamaydi. She doesn't live there. Savol. Siz ingliz tilida gaplashasizmi? Siz. Do you gaplashasizmi ingliz tilida? Speak English. Siz ingliz tilida gaplashasizmi? Do you speak English? O'g'il bolaga nisbatan u Angliyada o'qishni xohlamaydi. U, he xohlamaydi. doesn't want o'qishni to study Angliyada in England. U Angliyada o'qishni xohlamaydi. He doesn't want to study in England. Men bu joyda yashayman. Men yashayman. I live bu joyda. In this place. Men bu joyda yashayman. I live in this place. Men ba'zan buni bajaraman. Men ba'zan I sometimes bajaraman buni. Do it. Men ba'zan buni bajaraman. I sometimes do it. Men bilmayman. Men I bilmayman. Don't know. Men bilmayman. I don't know. Biz har doim bu haqida o'ylaymiz. Biz we har doim always o'ylaymiz. Think bu haqida. About it. Biz har doim bu haqida o'ylaymiz. We always think about it. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. She sends him different messages. What do you usually do in the evening? They see our house. She doesn't live there. Do you speak English? He doesn't want to study in England. I live in this place. I sometimes do it. I don't know. We always think about it. Davom etamiz. Tarjima qilamiz. Men ba'zan buni ko'raman. Men ba'zan I sometimes ko'raman buni. See it. Men ba'zan buni ko'raman. I sometimes see it. Savol: sen qayerda o'qishni xohlaysan? Qayerda? Where? Sen do you xohlaysan? Want o'qishni to study. Sen qayerda o'qishni xohlaysan? Where do you want to study? Men buni xohlamayman. Men I xohlamayman. Don't want buni it. Men buni xohlamayman. I don't want it. Men bu iborani tarjima qilishim kerak. Ya'ni menga kerak. I need tarjima qilish. To translate bu iborani. This phrase. Men bu iborani tarjima qilishim kerak. I need to translate this phrase. Men o'g'il bolaga nisbatan uni bilaman. Men bilaman. I know uni, him. Men uni bilaman. I know him. Savol: siz qancha pul ishlab topishni xohlaysiz? Qancha? How much? Pul, money. Siz. Do you? Xohlaysiz. Want? Ishlab topishni. To earn. Siz qancha pul ishlab topishni xohlaysiz? How much money do you want to earn? Men qahva xohlayman. Men xohlayman. I want qahva, coffee. Men qahva xohlayman. I want coffee. Bu qiziq tuyulmaydi. Bu it tuyulmaydi. Doesn't seem qiziq, interesting. Bu qiziq tuyulmaydi. It doesn't seem interesting. Savol: senga bu sayt yoqadimi? Senga yoqadimi? Do you like bu sayt? This website. Senga bu sayt yoqadimi? Do you like this website? Men bu joyda o'qiyman. Men o'qiyman. I study bu joyda. In this place. Men bu joyda o'qiyman. I study in this place. So'zlarni qaytaramiz. I sometimes see it. Where do you want to study? I don't want it. I need to translate this phrase. I know him. How much money do you want to earn? I want coffee. It doesn't seem interesting. Do you like this website? I study in this place. Aziz do'stlar, navbatdagi 51-darsimiz o'z nihoyasiga yetdi. Barchangizga rahmat. Keyingi darslarda ko'rishguncha xayr.